Let's talk about the options for Kajabi pricing. If you're interested in the different pricing options for Kajabi, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to break down the different options that you have when you sign up for Kajabi, and I'm also going to walk through what it would take to bundle together a bunch of other softwares to get what you're going to get with just one subscription when you use Kajabi. With that being said, Kajabi offers a free 14-day trial. However, as a partner of Kajabi, we can offer a free 28-day trial of Kajabi when you sign up using our link in the description below. When you sign up, you're going to end up on this page. And when you sign up using our link for a free trial, you're also going to get access to our 30K launch library, absolutely free when you start your Kajabi trial. This is basically all the materials we've used in our live webinar launches, everything from the webinar registration page and the copy, the launch webinar slides, the email sequence, even the sales page and the copy. You're going to get all those materials ready to just plug into your new Kajabi account and start using them right away. So you got nothing to lose. Sign up for a free 28-day trial plus get our 30K launch library when you sign up. All right, with that being said, let's look really quickly at the different pricing options for Kajabi. So these, right now we're looking at the monthly plans versus the annual discount. Obviously, if you pay annually, you're going to save. So if you can afford it, that's generally going to be worth it. With the monthly plan, you're going to come in at least $149 a month. And with that, you're going to get all these features here on the left. 3 products, right? So that's 3 courses or membership sites, something to think about. 3 pipelines. So these are basically your kind of funnels within the Kajabi platform. We've got other videos in this channel on that if you want to check those out. Unlimited landing pages, marketing emails, contacts, up to 1,000 active members. So that's usually enough to get started. 1 website. So basically 1 main website if you want to use Kajabi for your website, and then 1 admin user. So it's a great place to get started. However, if you end up needing to upgrade or you need more products or more pipelines, etc., then you'll eventually upgrade. But for now, let's go with that $149 a month kind of target, and let's compare it to what it would take to kind of get you all these features using other platforms and piecing those together. First thing you need is you need a website if you don't already have one. You might use WordPress, or you might use something like Squarespace for an all-in-one website builder. With Squarespace, you're looking at $18 a month for that business plan. And you're going to basically be looking at getting a nice all-in-one kind of website builder, $18 a month. It's going to come with hosting, etc. So let's add that into the mix. So starting at $18 a month, and we're going to kind of keep track of these expenses here. Next thing you're going to need is to build, pipelines. You're going to need something like ClickFunnels, right? So your pipelines or ClickFunnels is basically a series of pages and opt-ins and automations. They're going to lead people through, a landing page, a thank you page, a webinar page or replay page, a checkout or sales page, etc. You're gonna have to tie that in with your offer, using PayPal or Stripe or something like that. You're gonna need all those things, and you're gonna need something like ClickFunnels to do that. $97 a month for the basic ClickFunnels plan. That's as good as it's gonna get in terms of signing up there. Next thing you're going to need something like ConvertKit to manage your email subscribers. We're just going to use the $49 a month as an example. That's having at least 1,000, subscribers, between 1,000 and 3,000 subscribers at $49 a month. You're going to need this to collect email addresses, send out your broadcasts, set up email automations, etc. So $49 a month for ConvertKit. You're going to need something like Teachable to actually host your courses or membership sites and roll those out, okay? The basic plan for Teachable is $39 a month, plus you should see this, 5% transaction fees. This is pretty significant. So not only are you going to pay the percentage, the 2.9% plus 30 cents for PayPal or Stripe, but then you're going to pay 5% transaction fees directly to Teachable, whereas Kajabi doesn't have any transaction fees beyond what you pay to PayPal or Stripe. So that's pretty significant. It's hard to factor in that 5%, but again, if you're selling a $100 course, that's $5 in addition to the credit card fees and whatnot that Teachable is going to be taking, in addition to the $39 per month. Okay, you need a way to roll out your courses and your membership sites, so something like Teachable is what you're going to need. Finally, you're going to need something to kind of string all these tools together. So you're going to need something like Zapier. This is an automation tool to string these different platforms together. At minimum, you're looking at $19.99 a month to start to automate and create triggers between these different softwares, okay? So let's go ahead and add all of these up. So we've added them up. Again, we've got Squarespace, ClickFunnels, ConvertKit, Teachable, and Zapier. We've got to string these all together. So we add these up and we're looking at a monthly charge of, let's make sure I don't get this wrong, $222.99, okay, versus the $149 a month. So $229.99 minus the $149 a month, you're looking at a savings of $80.99 per month, right? So, sorry, $222.99 minus $149, a savings of $73.99. This is why I didn't go into math. So $73.99 per month is what you're going to be saving with ClickFunnels. Let's take that times 12. You're going to be saving $887.88 altogether per year. Now, there's the savings alone. What you're really going to get when you use Kajabi is not only the savings, but you're going to get the tremendous savings of stress, time, overwhelm, major headaches, things breaking, having your stuff scattered out over all these places, integrations breaking, Zapier breaking, etc. You're going to have it all in one place, and you're literally going to run your entire online business in one location. That's really what you're getting when you sign up for Kajabi. I've used this platform for a number of years. I've made a few $100,000 on this platform alone. I absolutely love it. That's why I became an affiliate. And I think you should get started and just learn for yourself how amazing Kajabi really is. Whether you're a new entrepreneur or very experienced, you're going to love it. It's one of the few all-in-one platforms where you can truly do the marketing and sales side of your business, the funnels, the landing pages, the pipelines, the email automations, as well as the actual product and service delivery, your courses, your membership sites, your billing, making announcements to your students. It's one of the few platforms where you can truly do it all. So I really believe in this platform. I think you're going to love it. Sign up for that free 28-day Kajabi trial using the link in the description, and you're going to get access to our 30K launch library as a result. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that like button on the video, hit subscribe. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. What do you think of Kajabi's pricing? What do you think of this idea of stringing together these other softwares to make up for what Kajabi can really do for you? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Check out the other videos of our channel here, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks. Bye.